Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your vault. First, identify the type of locking mechanism your vault uses, whether it's a dial, keypad, or key lock. Next, gather the necessary access information, such as your combination code or the correct key. Always double-check these details to avoid errors. We'll cover common methods and troubleshooting tips to help you gain access smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. For dial combination vaults, begin by turning the dial clockwise several full rotations to clear any previous attempts. Then, carefully turn clockwise, passing your first number 3 times, stopping on it the 4th time. Next, turn counterclockwise, passing your second number 2 times, stopping on it the 3rd time. Finally, turn clockwise, stopping directly on your 3rd number. This precise sequence is crucial for successful opening. If your vault uses a keypad, simply enter your programmed numerical code. Ensure each digit is pressed firmly and accurately. For key locks, insert the key completely into the keyhole. Turn the key clockwise until you feel the mechanism release. Some vaults may require a slight pull on the handle simultaneously. Always confirm the door is unlocked before attempting to open it fully, preventing potential damage. If you encounter difficulty, re-verify your combination or ensure the key is fully inserted and turned correctly. Sometimes, applying gentle, consistent pressure to the handle while entering the code or turning the key can help. If the vault still won't open, consult your vault's manual or contact a professional locksmith. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.